Hello, everyone. My name is Adele Lafrance. I'm a psychologist, a research scientist, and I'm also one of the authors of What to Say to Kids When Nothing Seems to Work. And I have been working with kids, teens, parents, caregivers, teachers, therapists for over a decade now, developing and sharing emotion focused communication strategies to increase cooperation, reduce resistance, increase engagement, and strengthen relationships. I will be offering a workshop on April 17th through Leading Edge. Thank you so much for the invitation, where I will be sharing with you the most important things I've learned along the way. I'll even share with you a really, really simple strategy that you can start using the very next day. And I will be providing you with some scripts. That's one of the things that has come up over and over again in my work with families, with therapists, is this need to have some examples to work from, because in the moment when we're in a stressful situation, we can't access as flexibly our fund of acquired knowledge. We can't be as spontaneous or creative in our language, even though our hearts are in the right places. And so, absolutely, I will be sharing with you some scripts that you can make your own, whether you are a clinician, therapist, educator, mom, dad, stepmom, grandma, grandpa, or any other adult influencer, so that it feels like it's coming from you. So I'll give you the framework, I'll give you some words, and then you can make it your own so that you can apply the skills and the strategies, the techniques in your own life. And so April 17th, What to Say When Nothing Seems to Work. This workshop is for professionals, for caregivers, for other adult influencers. And I really look forward to having the opportunity to work with you. There'll be plenty of time for questions as well.